Hello students, these are the advanced phrasography. Section 1, 2 and 3 dictation. These exercises which follow each list which is depend on some of the topics. You should take this daily once at least so that you will be able to take down the phrases very easily and rapidly. Ready. Advanced phrasography, section 1. Agree with the all circumstances and in all probability as fast as it were, as much as were, as the matter brought forward by and by the by some means, dealing with the, discuss the matter, every circumstance. I am certain that you are. I am inclined to think. I am persuaded. I am very glad. I think it is necessary. I think that you are. In all circumstances. In his own opinion. In the meantime. In this country. In this matter. In this respect. Notwithstanding such. Notwithstanding that. On either hand. On either side. On the other hand. On the other side. On these occasions. On this occasion. On this matter. Peculiar circumstances. Per annum. Per cent. Percentage. Quite agree. Quite agreeable. So that we may take the liberty. There were those which we are now, those who are, those who were, through the world, to bring the matter very satisfactorily. You will agree, you will probably. Advanced phrasography, section 2. Depend on circles, loops and hooks. Ready. From us, please inform us, to us, as we have, as we can, as we cannot, as we do, as we think, as we shall, as we may, as well as usual, as well as can be, as soon as we can, as soon as they, it is said, for his sake, in this century, in this city, in this subject, of this statement, this has been at first caused Wednesday next. In our view, in our statement, it appears that by all means it is only necessary, it can only be, it may only be, they will only be, longer than, more than, any longer, no longer than, rather than, smaller than, going on, at all our own, have been expected, have been informed, have been returned, We have not. Who have not. Out of doors. Rate of interest. State of affairs. Thursday afternoon. Thursday evening. At all events. Into effect. Incorporated association. Medical association. Political association. Traders association. Advanced phraseography section 3, which is depend on halving principle. Ready. As if it were, by which it was, if it is not, if it be not, if it were, in which it is, in which it has appeared, of which it has been, of which it must be, able to make, able to think, I am able to think, I am unable to think, we are able to make, you will be able to, I cannot be, I cannot say, I cannot see, I hope you will not, I may not, I shall not be, I trust not, I was not, you cannot, you may not, you must not, you should not be, you were not, you are not, I would, if it would be, they would be, they would not be, we would, few words, in our words, many words, at any rate, at all times, at some time, at the same time, for some time, from time to time, some time ago. Advanced phraseography section 4 is depend on doubling principle. Ready. Above there, over there, before there is, from there, has to be there, has been there, how can there be, I'm sure there is, I believe there will be, I have there, I have been there, I know there is, I know there is not, I know there will be, I see there is, I think there will be, I wish there were, if there is, if there is to be, if it be there, in their case, in their opinion, in their statement, in which there is, increasing their value, making their way, more than their, pending their decision, shall be there, then there are, they have been there, though there is, upon there, we have there, we have been there, whenever there is, by some other means, some other way, some other respects, or some other, in other words, in order, in order that, in order to, my dear sir, my dear madam, my dear friend, my dear fellow citizens. Thank you, students. Take this daily, at least one time in a day. Thank you.